You just bought a Dodge Charger police car, and you're wondering, why does my cigarette lighter not work? You go back to the trunk where the battery is, there'll be a fuse panel. Take the cover off. You're going to want to check number 12. That'll be your power outlets, and that will be right here. And you see, that's probably why it's not working. So that's supposed to be a 20 amp fuse. We'll grab us a 20 amp fuse. Boom. Stick that puppy right in there. Make sure we got power. Yeah. Yeah. And now, power.